isang boat na may dito sa kabila. Amen, oh. Taas ng mga ano, mga bundok. Ganda. Okay, here. How are you? Hello.
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 Can you just mind your step and you can head upstairs for
Okay.
me. Thank you.
Upstairs.
What's the step team? And you can head upstairs. It is nicer upstairs.
Balik tayo sa taas.
What's your stuff? What's your
Loob. Balik tayo sa taas. Malsa kami. Ganda, oh. Tayo. Kaso yung kanilang ano, lake na ano, team. Ito doon sa atin, green at saka clear. Ang lamig nito.
지나가는 동안 항상 어린이 아이들을 북돋아야 합니다. 화장실은 일본의 모나스의 맨 아래 간판에 위치하여 있으며 주 간판의 밑쪽 4일로 출입할 수 있습니다.
Oo. Balik tayo sa taas. Grabe, ang lakas ng hangin. Nahulog yung ano ng salamin ko, yung pinaka shades. Bili ako ng bago. Puro bato. Ganda. Okay, so nawawala yung mga ano. Sino, kumusta? Natanggal yung shades ko. Yung black. Ano? Ewan ko, pagpanik ko nawala. Siguro sa lakas ng hangin. Napansin ko nawala. Ayos. Ito. Baka tayo nagpunta ng Palawan. Puro ba to? Tapos hindi ka makaka-swimming dito. Biglang na patay ka, in a few minutes lang to. Yari. Makikita nyo dito pag kayo ay nagpunta sa Milford. Sa cruise nila. Puro bato. Tsaka bato, mayroong mga falls sa gilid. Ako, yun. Ito, ano. Thanks.
while just arriving at an airport now, but anyway, it's going to pick up quite a bit of recent, and it's a side effect to the floor here. Just a little bit over the floor.
Nagsasalita sa baba, problema, hindi kami nakikinig, huwag kami picture dito. May makikita nyo dito, pag kayo nagpunta. Para na rin kayo nakarating sa New Zealand. Sarap na tumingin ako. Masyadong mahangin. Para ka nagpunta ng Palawan. Sila yun doon sa bato. Asa malayo na eh. Nakakatuwa. Sila yun pala dito. Yun o, hinahabol kami ng barko eh, no? Eh, hinahabol tayo. Hinahabol. Maabutan kami ng cruise ship na to. Mabilis to kaysa dito eh. Pero ang laki niya oh. Safe naman kami kasi meron kami extra boats dito na kaya kaya naman ito.
Alright, almost cruises quite often the distance to that one manage to pause in front of us and keep it a heads up.
Mapapansin nyo, karamihan ng mga bundok dito may falls. Kasi nga mataas yung pinanggagalingan, ulap, hindi katulad sa Palawan, mabababa, hindi umaabot sa clouds. Ito kasi umaabot, ayan no?
And that is the water packs into a glacier.
Umaabot.
All of these facts and figures, they got that helping. They got the information from the wall here on the left. There's a really smooth looking rock wall. When we do get these heavy rains, it's proper milk rain here. There's a rock wall here on the left, not that cascade rain.
May nag-a-announce, kaso hindi maintindihan masyado yung English eh. Parang British accent.
Quite an amazing sight. Also, Michael Peak out there, that does remind me, there's a legend how this place was created. You have the legend how it's got its name, but there's also a legend how all these waterways were
Choloy
created.
nakaupo oh.
It does have demigod in this one too. His name was. This time he was really good. At his
Aeroplano
job.
pa
He
sa
really
taas.
was perfect. His best effort yet in Michael Peak, as they call it. They
Meron
don't
kaming
call it
kasabay
Michael
ng
Peak.
mga dalawang
Michael, by the way,
barko.
is, Election's headpiece. Maori probably at the opposite end of the
Ganda oh.
scale. Their name for the mountains is roughly to.
Kung nasa loob ka, ayan, makikita mo yung mga mga falls sa taas ayun no, puti.
Ahead of us to the left, that's Cladder Valley. They hit you right up there all the time. So if you drove it here, we came down there.
Wala yung shades ko, takip, wala. Nilipat siguro ng hangin sa taas, hindi ko napansin. Wala eh.
What's that behind?
Eh, tapos na ating cruise. Balik na tayo sa reality. Hindi ho to asawa ko, kamukha lang. Pinsan ho to ni Elaine. Bye-bye.